Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I'll show how to solve Gemini photo create problem. When try to create photo show this problem, I am getting more image request than usual. So I cannot create for you right now. Please try again later problem. Let's see how to fix this problem. Tap on hold Gemini. Click on app info. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK. Tap on storage and cache. Tap on clear storage. Tap on delete. Go to Play Store, click on search bar and search Gemini. Update Gemini app. Hopefully in this way Gemini photo create problem will be solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.